Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Amazon how to add address. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up your Amazon app, and once you're inside your Amazon app, here on the bottom bar you'll see 4 icons. Simply tap on your profile icon right next to your home icon, and once you're inside here, tap on the option that says your account, and once you're inside your account, here under account settings you'll be seeing the option that says your addresses. Simply tap on that, and now if you want to edit the old address, simply tap on edit and then make the desirable changes that you want, and then tap on save changes. And now if you want to add a new address, simply tap on the option that says add a new address, and here all you gotta do is fill up this form, and then once you're done with that, tap on add address, and that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.